Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. In this video, we are going over the PMP certified project managers salaries in the United States of America, in the USA. So, how much do project managers and PMP certified project managers make in the USA? So, that's the topic of the video. We have been covering a report by PMI.org. This is the report, the 10th salary survey, which is done by PMI. This is available for free for everyone to download. I'll share the direct link in the description below. Go ahead, download your own copy, read through it. It is a big report, as you can see. It has 321 pages. I have created a video previously where it was sort of an orientation, an introduction to this report, where we covered some of the high level numbers that are given in this report. But today, the focus of this video is going to be USA. So, how much can someone working as a project manager in the USA expect to earn? And this is important if you're already in the US, if you're considering getting a PMP certification, if you're someone who's going to start their career and looking into getting into project management. In fact, this is also helpful for those of you who are not in the US yet, but are looking to move to the US in search of a job, in search of a career in the field of project management. Now, if you can see, this is the comparison of the number of respondents, and here if you can see in the 10th edition in the US, the number of respondents is more than any other countries. It's 10,937. So 10,937 people from the US were basically surveyed as part of this report. So this is a comprehensive report, and this is definitely going to help you out. Now, the annualized salary in US dollars by country, as you can see, the median salary in the US is just behind Switzerland. So this is the second highest salary. So this is something that you can expect in the USA. So the annualized salary as a project manager, the as you can see, the countries where project management professionals report the highest median salaries are Switzerland, US, and Australia. So this is something that you should take note of if you're a project manager, if you're a certified project manager, if you're looking to make a move to the US. Well, definitely this is a great choice. If you're already in the US, 112,000 is the median salary in the US. Now, let's move on and let's talk about the number of years of experience in project management. Now, this is important from the perspective of, let's say, you want to change your job and you're based in the US, or if you're moving to US and you want to change your job and you want to have an idea of how much you're worth, right? How much salary should you negotiate for? So annualized salary in USD by years of experience in project management. So if you can see, I will scroll down to US. The first is, let me zoom out a bit. So in the US, if you are less than 3 years experience, $75,000 annual salary is what you can expect. Three to less than 5 years is 85,000 US dollars. 5 to less than 10 years is 100,000 US dollars. 10 to less than 15 years is 115,000 US dollars. 15 to less than 20 years is 122,000 US dollars. And if you're more than 20 years of experience, you can make around $130,000 annually. So this is the figure for a project management professional here. Remember, we are not talking about PMP yet. We are just talking about project management professional. Now, let's talk about PMP certification status as well. So, annualized salary in US dollars by PMP certification status. Now, let's talk about USA here. So, I think, um, Let me go over. Yeah, so here's USA here. So if you're PMP certified, you can expect around 115,000 US dollars. If you're that should be the median salary, I guess. If you're less than 5 years experienced and you have a PMP certification, so the thing here is if you're PMP certified, 115,000 US dollars is the salary, average salary that you can expect. If you're PMP for less than 5 years, 103,000 is what you can expect. If you're a PMP for 5 to 10 years, so that basically means you cleared your PMP 5 years ago, and it has been less than 10 years since you cleared your PMP. So you can expect 120,000. Similarly, 130,000 for 10 plus years. If you are a non PMP, you can expect 92,000 US dollars, which should be the average salary. So the PMP advantage in the US is 25% over someone who is not a PMP certified. Of course, you can download this report if you want to look for your own country. We are going to be covering some of the countries here, not in this video. This video is specifically for US, but we'll definitely cover some other countries. Majority of the viewers of this website, pmclounge.com, as well as the pmclounge.com YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Minor plug there. So the majority of the traffic comes from US, UAE, India. So we are going to be covering these countries first before we move to other countries. Now, there was one other thing that I wanted to cover here was annualized salary by position. So these positions, the director of PMPMO, portfolio manager, program manager, project manager 3, 2, 1, project management specialist, project management consultant, it is not necessary that your organization has the same similarly worded positions, right? So that's a cause of a confusion here, but this is the salary that is mentioned for these positions in the USA. So again, if you want to see USA specific data in detail, 269 page number is where USA, the 112,000 US dollars is the median salary. So this data is basically USA specific. So if you want to go into further details, you want to go granular on this, you want to drill it down, then of course this is something that you should be taking a look at. Of course, the N here, it means the number of people surveyed, 10,937 people surveyed for this report. PMI does beautiful reports, exhaustive reports, and the 10th annual salary survey report is no different. So this is a great report. This is something that you should definitely look into. If you are not from the US, let's say if you're someone in some other country in the project management profession, definitely download this report. Try to take a look at the kind of salary that you should be making if you're not making time to make a move in your career. If you're not PMP, definitely go ahead, get yourself a PMP. Again, all the videos that we have done on previous salary survey reports as well, the entire playlist will be available in the description. The link to download this report, the direct link for PMI, is also going to be available in the description. So that is all that I had in this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and do hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Do check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP and other project management certifications, as well as project management industry information. Thank you.